terbukti bersalah membuang sampah sembarangan, warga Jambi Ali Johan Slamet Selasa siang divonis denda 20 juta rupiah subsidiar 1 bulan 15 hari penjara. Terdakwa dinyatakan melanggar peraturan daerah Kota Jambi nomor 8 tahun 2013. Vonis tersebut lebih
Tumpukan sampah ini seolah jadi pemandangan yang asing bagi warga di sekitar kawasan Pantai Utara, Desa Pabean, Kecamatan Tambak Boyo, Kabupaten Tuban. Sejumlah warga bahkan masih saja membuang sampah di sembarang tempat. Warga mengaku tidak ada dari wilayah hulu sungai. Guna mengatasi pencemaran pantai ini, pemerintah Kabupaten Tuban mengaku telah menganggarkan penyediaan ponton penyapu sampah di bibir pantai.
Kami PMK Kabupaten Tuban melalui APBD perubahan APBD 2021 ini kita menyediakan ponton dan konten.
Reform Group 3 will present a case regarding the prohibition of littering. My name is Elizabeth Georgina with my members namely
My name is Vika Fadila.
Hello, my name is Cinta Kintarani.
And I am Rahman Nabawi.
from the past. Water has been an unsolved problem. Yes, pills of rubies have a bad impact on the environment. Plastic waste is a very large amount of waste. Almost all households throw away this plastic waste, which is quite a lot. To achieve a state of freedom from waste, of course, we must raise awareness within ourselves that waste that is thrown away carelessly has many negative impacts. Among other things, it can cause fair skin of diseases and the environment where we live cannot be said to be clean and healthy. It is not impossible. Freedom from waste will be achieved if we can protect the environment from plastic, paper, canned waste, and so on. Maintaining cleanliness is part of fight. Therefore, let us fight together to mindless gains from the common good. Do you like your city? Do you want to keep it clean and beautiful? Do you care about the environment and your health? If you answer yes to all the questions above, then you should join the movement to stop littering. Littering is not only ugly, but also dangerous. This pollutes the air, water, and soil. This attracts pests and diseases. It takes money and resources to clean it up. This damages the image and reputation of our city. Don't try to further dispose of your waste responsibly.
To reduce the amount of waste, we can increase the economic value of the waste. For example, by recycling plastic waste, processing paper or cardboard waste into toys, and kitchen scrap into compost. Effort to reduce waste must be continuously made. If left unaddressed, this will have negative impacts. Plastic waste take about 50 to 100 years to decompose.
For example, in area with a population of 300 people, an average its resident throws away when plastic drain packaging glass carries light. Just imagine if 300 plastic cups were thrown away carries light every day. What if it repeats itself for 1 week? So the area will be filled with 2,100 used plastic cups every week. What if littering continues for months or even years? If that happens, we will definitely see a lot of plastic waste everywhere. Pollution and natural damage will occur in the area. As we said earlier, the economic value of plastic can be increased if it is protected reused. For example, animal waste can be protected into manure. kitchen scraps, garden waste, twigs, leaves, and fruit, and dry leaves in the yard can be portioned into compost. These two fertilizers are very good for plant growth, but for household and plantation or agriculture.
You can make a different way by following this simple step. First step, always dispose of your waste properly in the trash or recycling container. Second step, bring reusable bags or containers for your belongings and avoid single-use plastic. Third step, educate yourself and others about the impact of littering and the benefits of reducing waste. Fourth step, report any incident of littering to authorities or communities group. And the last steps, participate in the organizer trash. Clean up even in your neighborhood, in your city. Say no to littering. Our earth deserves better. Pledge to keep it pristine by saying no to littering. Littering is not just a bad habit, it's just a threat to our environment and wildlife. Every piece of trash tossed aside breaks a promise to future generations. Let's be the generation to choose responsibility over recklessness. Join the movement. Do not littering our short home. Trash belong in bins, not on your own street, park, of waterways. Our oceans are drowning in plastic. Your decision not to litter makes a difference. Littering is not just unsightly, it harms ecosystem and engrams wildlife. Together, we can create a cleaner, greener for world everyone. Take the pride in your community. Let's make littering a thing of the past. Together, we can make our city cleaner, greener, healthier, and beautiful place to live. Remember, every little thing counts. Do not litter.
The next example is paper and cardboard waste. Paper and cardboard waste is usually just burned. In fact, paper and cardboard waste can be processed into useful products. Paper and cardboard waste usually processed into paper pulp first, then printed as desired. Indonesia has many communities that recycle paper and cardboard. These communities usually process them to make miniatures, toys, and some even combine them with low voltage electronic equipment to make these toys controllable so they can move. And there are many other types of waste that can be recycled or reused. This waste recycling activity can reduce the amount of waste and keep the environment clean. That way, we will be able to achieve a state of freedom from waste.
Okay, we appeal again to everyone. We must emphasize the importance of maintaining environmental cleanliness from organic and inorganic waste, so Indonesia can be free from waste if all of us have awareness and responsibility towards waste and the environment. Because if it is not us who maintain it, who will?
If we make a mistake, maklum, kita masih pemula. Ajarin